Boy Keys live on CoinMarketCap blog. Going to be looking at how crypto Twitter is dealing with the market crash. So this article was written some time ago, December. So we're going to be checking out some highlights here. So looking at the combined market capitalization of all coins went down from $2.65 trillion to what it is now. So it fell about 21% and still counting. You can see lots of cryptocurrency, BTC are down, ETH and more phantom. So the metaverse and DeFi markets have been hit the hardest, as CoinMarketCap Alexandria reported. So there's a link here, you can check it out. The such incredible volatility is of course nothing new to BTC, whose price movement has been generally correlated closely to those of market as a whole, has seen numerous major crashes throughout this history of cryptocurrency. So from mind relative speaking, dips of 50% in March, May 2021 to a near total wipeout in 2011 during the Mt. Gox exchange at ARC in 2011. So Bitcoin has so far managed to bounce back every time after crashes that could seem fatal in the context of traditional, much less volatile markets. So healing through the memes, the historical performance of an asset or group of assets does not guarantee similar results in the future. So these are some facts you want to know. So which leaves crypto investors nervously guessing when and if an eventual recovery will even take place. So different people choose to deal with this stress in different ways. The proverbial weak hands will fold and sell their positions, potentially only to buy back into them at a higher price down the line. So on the other hand, those whose hands are made of sterner stuff are once again stealing themselves for a crypto winter, which could be over in mere days or last well beyond the actual literal winter as past experience shows. So one of the long-kept traditions of the crypto community, when looking for ways to help ease the entire ordeal, is to turn to memes. So let's come together and check out this week's crypto memes. So El Salvador's current president and self-proclaiming CEO, Nayib Bukele, famous in the industry of spearheading the country's adoption of BTC as legal tender in September, leveraged the crash to BTFD for the country. So Bukele missed the very bottom of the market by a mere 7 minutes and performed the entire transaction from his phone if his Twitter bragging is to be believed. So missed the bottom by 7 minutes. So Naib also said iPhone okay. These are some stops. So he then proceeded to argue with the famous economist and cryptocurrency critic Peter Schiff about the prudence of attempting to catch the bottom of a market as volatile as BTC. Alas, neither of the men went away convinced by the other's arguments. So we are already in the green from our last purchase in less than 24 hours. You know, Boomer, we have 44,106 OZ of gold in our reserves, worth $79 million, down 0.3%, 37% from a year ago. So if we had sold it a year ago and bought BTC, it would be now be valued at $204 million. Wow. So these are some of the motivations behind Bukele's actions. So billionaire entrepreneur and inventor Elon Musk, another brusque figure, highly popular among cryptocurrency users, also said Elon Musk did in typing, say moving on to less famous, but no less numerically hilarious Twitter posters. Self-deprecation seems to be frequently used to remind like-minded market participants of the well-known risk of trading and investing in crypto. You have unlucrative employment at the fast food chain McDonald's as a backup for the potential failure of BTC. You have Kobe, the chain crypto brand. You want to check out this Twitter post, meme lord, and more. So while some users lament how hard it is to time the fickle market and sell their holdings before the price dips, others point out the futility of such concerns due to the definition of dips as such being entirely dependent on context and time frame. So crypto tweet, another fun day of the holders. So these are some of the memes and first guys. So guys, I'll be dropping the link in the description box so you can read more on this. It's your boy Keys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out guys, and see you in a future post.